In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the buyer dashboard and the key options available to you on the platform. Start by visiting 3DIMLI.com. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and navigate to your dashboard. This is your central workspace for managing everything you do on the platform. Once you're logged in, the dashboard gives you a quick overview of your activity. At the top, you can see summaries of your purchases, downloads, and bookmarked products, helping you stay on top of your account at a glance. From the left sidebar, you can access all key sections of your buyer account. The dashboard section shows your recent purchases, saved items, and downloaded products, so you can quickly continue where you left off. Upload Your Product is available for users who want to start selling on 3DIMLI. If you're not a seller yet, clicking this option will guide you through the process of becoming one. Bookmarks lets you save products you like for later. This makes it easy to revisit items you're interested in without searching again. Purchases shows your complete order history. Here you can view order details, payment information, license types, and request refunds if needed. Downloads gives you access to all your purchased digital files. You can download the latest versions of your products anytime based on the licenses you've purchased. Following shows a list of sellers and stores you follow. This helps you stay updated when your favorite creators release new products. Under Settings, you can manage your account preferences. The Profile section lets you update your personal information and appearance settings. Billing allows you to manage your billing address used during checkout. Social Accounts shows which login providers are connected to your account. Security helps you protect your account by managing passwords, two-factor authentication, and active sessions. If you'd like to sell on 3DIMLI, you can click Become a Seller from the sidebar at any time. This will guide you through setting up your store and connecting your payment method. Together, these tools make the buyer dashboard a powerful place to discover products, manage purchases, and stay connected with creators on 3DIMLI.